project tomorrow evening.
Tomorrow evening? I'm really sorry. I can't.
Oh, go on. It will be fun.
It's not that. It's just that tomorrow evening isn't good for me.
Oh, okay. Why is that?
I'm busy. I'm, going out for a meal with my family.
Oh, never mind. Another time, maybe? Oh, look. We're here. This phone case is really nice.
Good morning.
Morning.
How can I help you?
It's my phone.
tablet.
You go first.
I've got a problem with my tablet. The screen is broken.
I see. What model is it exactly?
It's a Universe GX5 S6.
Okay. Can I have a look, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thanks.
How much will the repair cost?
A new screen will cost £85.
Okay,
Wow. That's expensive.
I know, but my dad's going to pay for it.
That's really kind of him.
Well, he broke it.
Oh, okay.
How long will the repair take?
It will be ready to collect tomorrow morning.
That's great. Can I pay when I pick it up?
Yes, that's fine.
And what's wrong with your phone, Alfie?
Well, the speakerphone isn't working properly.
What do you mean exactly?
When I answer a call, it automatically goes on speakerphone. I can't turn it off. It's annoying.
Can I have a look? Thanks. Usually, this is just a problem with the settings. Maybe if I... Oh, you've got a call.
It's Bianca. And answer.
Hi, Bianca.
Hi, Alfie. How's it going? Can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can.
What time are we meeting tomorrow night? I can't remember.
We're meeting at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay. At the cafe, right?
That's right. 6 o'clock at the cafe. Bye for now.
I'm really looking forward to seeing you, Alfie.
See you tomorrow.
So, you're going out for a family meal tomorrow evening?
Actually, I can explain. The thing is...
Don't bother.
So, about this problem with the speakerphone.
It's too late now.
I'm sorry, but I'm not sure what you mean. We just need to change the settings. There. Problem solved.
I wish.